Everybody, today I'm gonna do some green beans. This is a mandatory dish in my family for Thanksgiving, and since it's the holiday seasons, why not? But I'm gonna make Cajun style. This is not no gumbo. I know y'all gonna think, no, this is Cajun style. I'm gonna be adding some smoked turkey, some sausage. I'm gonna add a lot of Cajun seasonings. How I begin my green beans is just a straight saute pan sear type. Then I add the broth. I don't know if you ever had Cajun style. It's similar to the gumbo greens. Like I said, that's not gumbo greens. It's more gumbo inspired, but it's the same thing. If you ever had Cajun style, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So first we're gonna start with a little bit of olive oil. I mean, if you wanna use butter, you wanna use bacon fat. If I wasn't doing Cajun style, I would use bacon just to get the fat. I would actually keep the bacon in because my grandmother used to make salt pork. Like, she used to use salt pork for her green bean. But I'm just gonna add a little olive oil. I'm gonna add some diced onions. I'm gonna add a spoon of garlic. We're just gonna put them in there till they're fragrant or translucent. And we're gonna add our green beans. Gonna stir those around. Mix in with that garlic real good. Now, hey, listen. I don't know if you've ever been to Din Tao Fung. If you ever had their green beans, this is similar. The only difference, no onions. You would deep fry these for about 2 minutes. Throw them in there with garlic and salt. Perfect. Or garlic and oyster sauce. Perfect. So, I had a smoked turkey leg that I made turkey stock out of, which is real good. It's gonna add a lot of smokiness to our greens that we need. Then we're also gonna add some chicken stock. Now, this was 8 cups of the turkey stock and 4 cups of the chicken stock. Now we're gonna let this simmer for about 30 to 45 minutes. Then we're gonna add our potatoes. We're gonna cook those down. Then we're gonna drain the green beans, but we're gonna keep that stock. Then we're gonna make our Cajun stock. Now it's been about 30, 45 minutes. We're gonna put in our potatoes, let those cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then we're gonna drain them and start the next step. All right, now we're ready to drain our green beans. Smells good. I'm not even halfway through. Let's strain these so we can get that good broth. That broth right there is what we want. All right, now we're gonna brown our smoked sausage. Just gonna brown those up real quick. Then we're gonna throw in our veggies. Got them browned down a little bit. Now, we're gonna add our butter. Oh shit. All right, we're gonna add our celery, red bell pepper, green bell pepper. I only used 1 whole green pepper, 1 whole red pepper, and 2 stalks of celery. Uh-oh. All right, now that we have our veggies cooked down, we're gonna add our seasoning, which is a pinch of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, tablespoon of paprika, tablespoon of thyme. This is a teaspoon of Old Bay and a teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Then we have 1/4 cup of flour. So mix that in. Now we're ready for that broth. Then we're also gonna add a cup of water. Add those green beans back in. Let's add that smoked turkey and those smoked sausage. When we mix this up, oh my God, it's gonna be good. All right, now that we have everything in there, let's let it simmer for about 10 minutes and we ready to eat. All right, it's ready and it smells fire. This is my dinner tonight. I kind of went OD on the smoked sausage, but, oh, hold on, gotta do it over. All right, it's ready. I kind of went over with the sausage, but Sonny loves it. I'm just gonna scoop this right up in here. Got some of that juice in there. Like I said, this is real easy to make. The recipe will be in the description. Look at that. I gotta get something. Yeah. Have you ever had green beans like this? Let me know in the comments right now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna let this shit hot. I gotta let it cool off. I don't wanna be on here. I'm trying to get everything. This holiday season, if you're doing potluck style with your family, pull up with some of these, it'll be the first thing gone, okay? Your family are gonna be asking you to make them a pot, okay? Recipe will be in the description, like I said. Like, comment, and subscribe. My nigga, enjoy.